a few showers out there. Again, we had that significant weather advisory push off of the 50-mile-per-hour winds. In fact, up at Patrick Air Force Base, near Melbourne, we looked at 53-mile-per-hour wind gusts with that, and that happened all the way up and down the coastline as that cell moved through. Pahokee seeing the rain now picking up, Belle Glade also, but the coast is dry. What I'm looking at is this farther down to the south with lightning strikes in it too, so this has the potential to possibly be some strong storms in here. If it does, it moves up into Broward County, but it could clip the southern area of Palm Beach County too. So let's put a tracker on and just see, just in case it moves in, what time we're talking about. We're mainly talking somewhere between 7 and say 8:30 or so, this particular cell moving in, and then there's more farther down to the south as we pull back completely. See, it extends all the way down to Cuba. So this low is moving this way. It's going to move right over the state and then out into the Atlantic. So we're going to keep those rain chances here high through the evening and even into the overnight hours. The severe weather threat, unchanged from yesterday, still only clips South County there, but the potential will be there for even like Treasure Coast saw, 50-mile-per-hour winds with any of those cells that move on through. That's not severe criteria. That would be 60-mile-per-hour, but still could cause some damage. So we have the wind and the moderate there. Lightning, there's not a ton. We do have a slight or a slim tornado threat, and of course heavy rain is the main threat. With this, we've already picked up about 2 to 3 inches, 2+ inches today and about an inch or so yesterday, so we're at about 3 inches or so. Heading out this evening, yep, solid rain as you go on, kind of off and on, and you see Vipercast shows that each wave of rain coming through. The last of it though, I think, moving along the coast around 4 or 5 a.m., and then look at that. By the time you head out in the morning to work, the rain is gone, the clouds stick, but then we see the clouds start to thin out with some partial clearing throughout the day. Tuesday clears out completely and it looks absolutely fantastic. It's just going to be a little bit chilly. So here are the rainfall totals. This is what's left. So this is from now till the morning. We could pick up upwards of another 3/4 of an inch, at most another inch as that low moves on off. So AM clouds, and then we'll have partial clearing and then clearing on Tuesday, but the next front approaches. That will bring some chilly air back down into South Florida on Wednesday. So but it doesn't really have big rain chances as it moves through. So our rain chance is kind of low till we get to the end of the week and next weekend. High temperatures stay below average here going in through the entire week. We're back to near average by Friday. The boating forecast, gale warning for the Treasure Coast. The wind is really going to start cranking for the Treasure Coast, a little bit less for the Palm Beaches, and seas are already about 11, 12 feet or so. Beach forecast, surfers, nice swell coming for us Monday and Tuesday. Upper 60s to low 70s the next few days. It's going to be chilly, and then we'll finally warm up by the end of the week.